Welcome to my first voiceover. So today we're trying to make puff puff, or as we call it in Nigeria, puff puff. In our bowl we have our dry ingredients like our cinnamon powder, flour, sugar, salt. You don't have to use cinnamon powder, it's optional. You can use nutmeg, which is also optional. So when you're done mixing your dry ingredients, you go ahead and add your yeast. Please mix thoroughly. Make sure you mix it very well. After that, we then go ahead and start adding our water. Please add the water gradually, little by little. Adding the water gradually helps you to know when to stop adding water. So add your water gradually. Then after that, we then go ahead and add our wet ingredients like vanilla extract, which is also optional. You don't have to use it if you don't have it or if you don't want to. So after that, we then mix thoroughly and then you cover your flour. You cover it for 30 minutes to an hour for it to rise. Then after that, we are ready to fry our puff puff or puff puff. We're ready to fry it. So please make sure your oil is hot enough. If not, you do not want to end up with a very oily puff puff. So make sure your oil is hot enough and then you fry till it's golden brown. Make sure you're always turning your puff puff while it's frying so it doesn't burn on one side or it doesn't get ready on one side. Then when you're ready, you take it out of the oil and then your puff puff is ready to eat. This can also be served with a very chilled drink or a hot chocolate. The full ingredients will be below in the description. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.